Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between Coinbase or Kraken. And I will give you my honest opinion about those two exchanges. I've wrote down some good tips and some little advice for you because I want to tell you when you need to use Coinbase and when you need to use Kraken. Alright, the first application right here is Coinbase, and I want to tell you that if you're new and want a simple way to buy or hold major coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum or other coins, then you need to use Coinbase. And if you value a clean, easy UI, convenience over control or deep futures, then Coinbase is also better. But if you want to trade on another level, where you want to trade actively, many cryptocurrencies, altcoins, or want advanced trading tools, then Kraken is the application to be. And if you care about security, custody, ability to experiment with altcoins, good staking, margin futures, more than buy and hold, then Kraken is the better application for you. So if you're not very experienced as a trader, then I recommend Coinbase because that's very easy to use and very beginner friendly. And if you are a little bit more experienced with trading, then please use Kraken because that application is very good for an advanced trader. So this is my honest review about both applications. Hopefully this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.